how can I check quickly whether my Amazon ads are actually working or just burning money? We have to understand the concept of what burning money means. Burning money means that you're gathering a lot of data unnecessarily because you already had a clue beforehand something does not work. That means burning money, data gathering. That is not equal to burning money. So I just want to make sure that we are clear on those terms, because burning money usually is always associated with data gathering, which is not the case. So what are some things that you could see right away if your ads are working and you're not investing unnecessarily on things that you already have data for? The way you would do it is, first off, do you meet your profit margins? If you meet your profit margins, and especially if the product is not in the launch phase when you would spend more than make just in order to gain traffic and get sales, that is going to be a really good pulse check for you. The moment that you can still make money means that your ads are working the way how it's supposed to, because you're making money. The moment that you've done everything in your power when it comes down to Amazon optimization, you optimized your listing, SEO, so all the keywords that are within the listing, you optimized your creatives, so all the images that showcase in your listing, you ensure that you have enough inventory so you're not running out of stock. You ensure that you're running all the ad types that you could try for your product that could give you a chance to become more profitable on ads. You added coupons, you added the strike through, you played around with pricing, either lowered the price, increased the price, and added a coupon. You tried all that and you still see that Amazon ads are not profitable for you. That is the question that you would ask, okay, is there anything on my end that I am missing that I could be improving for my product? Giving you a clear example, right now we are helping a client that had a really good product beforehand, but I'm not sure what happened, if it's the manufacturer issue, if whatever the issue was, but the customers became returning the product. And from a 4.5 star product, now it's a 3.7. No matter what we're doing on the ads, just because CPCs are so high, and even if we're amazing when it comes down to managing ads, it's a listing issue. It's a perceived value issue. So the customer, whenever they're clicking within the listing, first they're going to say, oh, it's 3.7 and that's really important for me, Even if you did well on the ad sides and you have the correct targeting, you're still going to lose money on that product unless you're going to create a way for you that it's going to generate very, very cheap sales. That is one of the more difficult products to handle because now you have the market's voice that the product is not good enough. So in that case, you would either need to sell way more to lower the price even more. Hopefully, you're also changing the product quality. So with more sales, you're not going to generate more bad reviews, but more good reviews. So that could be also one way. But again, here, actually, as I was saying, this doesn't actually has anything to do anymore with PPC because we are driving traffic to a listing that does not convert. Imagine this way, I'm going to make you intro to someone and it's really on you to be pleasant, to smile, to show your hand, to give the hand and say hello. It's still on you, right? So I can bring you traffic, I can connect you with people, but if the person who's trying to sell their product is not able to present themselves in a presentable way, then whoever I made the connection with is not going to fall in love with whatever you have to offer, either your services, either your products. It's the same concept when it comes down to selling products on Amazon.